Hey everyone! So you decided to buy the DIY balloon kit? Well, I'm excited. Let's get started. You'll get a cute bag in which you will get two packets along with the instructions and a plain board. As you can see, it's already painted blue and with lots of cute clouds and birds. You'll also get instructions, written printed instructions for you to follow. In one pack, you will get already painted paper mache balloons, and another packet you will get a pre-painted house and hanging hardware. So we'll put those to a side for time. You will also find that there are 4 balloons that already have strings attached to them. These we'll keep on the side. 4. Now for the rest. There are about 25 balloons of 4 different colors: purple, green, yellow, and red. There are 20 of these. It's best to keep them separated, 5 of each. Now, you will see that there is an X at the bottom of the board, which is for the house, and a circle for the balloons. What you also need is Fevicol and scissors. Fevicol is best. Do not use the glue, which is very fluidy, so use Fevicol. You'll see a pencil marked circle. Using that as template, apply glue on the back of the balloons, a good amount, and put the circle line in the middle of the balloon, and with that method create a circle around the template circle that you see on the board. There is no right or wrong sequence of colors that you want to go for. I am just going with red, yellow, purple, green. You can go any combination you like. There is no right or wrong way. Keep adding the glue to the balloons and attach it to the board, trying to keep the left and the right spacing correct. That is the left of the balloon and the right of the balloon, to keep the negative space appropriate. About 9 would fit in this circle, in the outside circle. Now we'll fill the middle. About 3 should be enough. You can move the circles, the balloons a little bit extra if you need to fit them properly. Now what we want to do is fill the space that you see empty. Take any 3 colors and gently place the balloon on there, adding glue to the points where it will touch the bottom balloons. That is important. So just see where the top balloon will touch the bottom balloons, and add glue dots right at that spot. It should be easy for you to do because you will see that it makes it easier for you to attach the top balloon with the bottom if you align it properly. Similarly, add it to the other place also. You can twist it around, move it around a little bit to adjust it. One thing to remember is that the glue will dry clear, so even if you see white spots before it dries up, don't get scared, it will dry up. Add more if needed. Add more glue if needed. Remove it gently if you feel like there's too much Fevicol or too much glue. Similarly, for the third spot, or for where you see an empty blue color of the board beneath, add more balloons to it. Now, one thing that we need to be careful about is the stringed balloons should be placed at the bottom part of the balloon circle, because then all the string pieces will be together. The string should be facing downwards, so ensure that when you glue the balloon, the string is towards the bottom of the piece. Rough adjust it a little bit before adding glue, just to know where you're going to place the balloon. Again, there is no right or wrong sequence of colors here. You can choose whatever color you want to add. You can even move the previously placed balloons around to make space for other balloons. That's the beauty of Fevicol. You can just apply a little bit more and it will allow you to move the balloons. I am using Fevicol, but if you are comfortable using a hot glue gun, you can also use a hot glue gun. Now, after you have placed all the 4 balloons with strings, use the rest of the balloons that are still left and keep increasing the height of the balloons. But it's completely up to you. If you don't want to use all of the balloons that are provided, that's perfectly fine. If you want to use all of them, that is also okay. So as you can see, I have used up all of the balloons that are part of the kit. Leave it to dry for a few minutes so that the balloon doesn't move. Now for the X at the bottom, put some glue over there. This is the place where you're going to pull the strings and glue them on that spot. Cut the extra string very carefully and very gently. Apply a little bit more glue so that you can secure the string. Now the house will be a little tilted, my choice. You can keep it as straight as possible, or you can give it a slight angle if you want. Apply glue at the back and then just press it down gently. At this point, you will want to leave it for a few minutes so all the glue dries up. You're more or less finished with your balloon DIY. So leave it for a few minutes. I would say leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then you will have your piece ready. You can put this on an easel, which is provided, or you can use hardware to hang in the back to put it on a wall. Completely your choice. And there you go. Just put it cutely on an easel or on a wall and your DIY balloons are ready for display. Have fun and enjoy.